What a beautiful day for a great What a beautiful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. Go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Forward leads. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to Tidmouth. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Super! Just slice or tap it to open.